an absolutely incredible game. How does that feel?
Because everyone just came out here to really protest like really like doing it to each other. So that was amazing. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm really proud of my girls here. How grateful. We kind of like down at some point, but that's what it's all about. Yeah.
And personally, you were on fire tonight. You created so much space, scored so many crucial points. How does it feel putting in a performance like that in front of your crowd and your team?
I know it's so fun like thinking just like running around, so like I don't know what I'm doing, but it's really good and just have a lot of fun today and just getting more positive and just relaxing it just looking forward to the start.
I'm very worried that that's you not knowing what you're doing. But you work out what to do, it's going to be incredible. So, you move on, you've still got games to go. What's the message to the team?
Just for us to have a good start really and to take the lead, just letting go of those mistakes and doing but catching the ball, I think those cost us a lot and not chest again because that wasn't the period and there was more than the best. But for us, it's leading and just to be more calm, not getting all that in this league.
And how did it feel being in front of this incredible crowd at the Emirates Arena?
It's amazing, there's noise and the camera, so well done. To my fingers, my picture bringing up the noise so well done, thanks for coming, and love you all. Thank you all.
It is a great pleasure to welcome you with the player of the match. Okay, folks, we're not finished.